So, you wanna know what we're doing when we're not making YouTube videos?
Most of you know us as just a couple of gals running around on some beach somewhere with a pet sheep. But there is more to us than just the blonde hair and an extreme intake of garlic.
Double the garlic!
I'm a teacher. I get to inspire, encourage, and challenge while trying to make a difference in the lives of some pretty special kids.
I am a cancer nurse. I get to be with and care for people during the worst time in their lives. We both go to work with the goal of making someone smile, so it only makes sense that we want to do the same here.
We wanted to share an honest week in the life with you. We're going to take you to work, show you an update on the van, and a little bit of the in-betweens.
Never a dull moment in this van. So without further ado,
hit it!
I know what you're thinking. Is this girl really working on a Sunday? I'm thinking that too. But Sundays mean half-price parking, and that's a wonderful thing.
The other wonderful thing about Sundays is it's usually a pretty chill day at the hospital. I don't want to be drinking. I don't want to be jinxing myself. I'm hoping we just have everybody chilling in bed, resting up for their treatments tomorrow. Camera's on an angle, but it's what we're working with here, people. That's my phone holder. Maddie, feel free to cut anything you want here. I'm just gonna talk the whole way to work. Normally I'd be listening to some, I don't know. I'm really into Chris Stapleton these days. Anybody else? He's just like, his voice is like butter. I'm used to going to work in the dark and coming home in the dark, so things are looking up.
After letting my patients sleep in a little on this fine Sunday morning, it's time to do my rounds. This is how we enter patient rooms that are in isolation. During COVID, we were doing this before we entered every single room. I do not miss that.
Another one in the books.
Not bad.
He looks so chubby.
Am I a lucky gal or what? Coming home to this. I couldn't be hungrier. I had a donut. I think it spiked my blood sugar. Because I'm like ravenous right now. Oh, yeah. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Every little place and every bit of pavement, everywhere I go.
The sunrise is amazing this morning.
Every day I take it, every move I make it, everywhere I go. Gotta get around, gotta get around.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Sometimes I wonder if we'll wear masks in hospitals for the rest of ever. I feel like probably, yeah.
Today I am teaching. I'm going into a new school. Actually, for those of you who are new around here, I am an occasional teacher. So I go into schools when teachers are away and fill the gaps where necessary. My days spent in these classrooms are filled with so many different emotions. The challenges and inequalities that some of these kids face are what motivate me to make a difference.
Just came into the storage room to just take a second because I've just had a pretty wacky few hours. But I got an admission and she's super sick, super young, scared, just got lots going on, tubes everywhere. And yeah, just a lot to do. But you can't really complain because I just always think that, like, at the end of the day, I get to leave this place and she doesn't, so that's upsetting, but makes you just put one foot in front of the other. Maybe I'll just get a coffee. Yeah, I'll get a coffee.
Kathy, can you please come to the office? Kathy, please come to the office. Thank you.
Not me, I'm not Kathy. Woohoo, favorite part of the day. It's lunchtime and I have delicious, whoops, that's my water bottle. And I have delicious curry from last night, so I was really looking forward to eating it. I've basically eaten it all already. But the day's going pretty well. The kids are definitely spunky in here. The secretary actually referred to them as spicy meatballs, which I thought was hilarious. But I love the spicy meatballs, you know? I like when they keep me on my toes.
After long days at work, we feel so grateful to have each other to come home to unwind, laugh a little, and start it all over again. Wow. Wow.
Alan is full something.
All right, we're thriving here at work. I feel like day 3, I have the most energy because my body's just used to it. I actually woke up like half an hour before my alarm. Oof, this is dirty. Oh, phone vlogging. I'm just gonna grab my oats for some beef fast. My patient told me I have fancy hair today. All I hear is I probably looked like absolute shit yesterday. That's okay.
Full sunshine this morning. This is the first time I've woken up for work since a long time, and there's been sunshine. So it's really exciting. I love teaching at inner city schools as my passion is working with underserved families. I'm qualified in teaching special education, and many of these kids at this particular school have a special place in my heart. Today I'm teaching a grade 5-6 class. It's one of the things, I don't want anybody to walk in here when I'm filming, I feel weird. Tomorrow morning, we are going to pick up the van. It's the first time we're going to see it after the kitchen's been redone. So can't wait. I don't know why my arm is doing this. It's above my head. I guess I'm stretching, dancing, not sure. Anyways, okay, bye.
Made up my mind, made up my mind. It's me this time.
Not sure why there was a plastic bag on our car.
Wait, you're not dancing.
Oh, okay, there she goes.
It's just not natural. Should I burp for the camera?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, stop burping.
Today's a very exciting day.
Wait,
What?
can any of you not burp? Because Talia is,
I don't think there's a term for that, unless
Okay.
there is. I don't know.
well, she can't burp, and I feel sorry for her.
We're bringing you along on an exciting day today. All right. First up, I guess only Canadians will know what this is, but Canadian Tire. We're buying a new battery from here. Oh. Can you lift it? Woo, there she is. Love you. Okay, I'm not looking until we both look. I don't want to look until we can look together, Mads.
No, look.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
These feel amazing. Holy crap. No more bending down to wash dishes. We're washing dishes like regular people.
Look at all the space we have under there because now we have a gray water tank underneath.
We're not going to give you an in-depth look at what they've built for us because next video will be, or not next video, some video soon will be a full tour of our revamped van before we leave on our road trip. So for now,
Just a quick look. Woohoo!
let's get this van rocking.
Producing mechanic Talia.
My hands are freezing. Disconnect the negative first.
The birds are chirping. Spring's here. Oh my gosh, I have such a nice shot of you right now. Whoops, there goes our audio. I probably wasn't saying anything that important anyways.
Negative is disconnected. The positive one is a bit rustier. Oh yeah, there you go.
We needed to change our battery as our old one was dead. The guys over at Campr Vans who built our beautiful kitchen even had to push Billie to get her out of the shop. There goes our mic again. High five, very nice. Good job, girls. You nailed it.
Oh yeah, that's tread. Very pumped. One step closer.
Well, first we have to come out here to talk because we have roommates and they're in meetings. I've come out here earlier to talk to
yeah?
when they've been sleeping, so it's a go-to spot.
Tonight we are having a bit of a sibling night. We're going to a comedy show with my brother and Maddie's brother. So it's time to eat some Thai food and laugh our butts off. All right. Whew.
being the bag lady and the dog lady all in one is not fun, but we made it. Right, boys? We're off to the cottage. Woo! All right, boys, assume positions. Go up north, get some groceries, cook some dinner. We are off, boys. About a 2.5 hour drive. We'll see you there. Never a dull moment in this van. I'm driving and we just got an oil change and they must have put too much oil because it keeps flashing high with the oil symbol and that is very bad for the engine. I just pulled over, checked the dipstick and it's just like, yeah, I think just above the max. Luckily, I was close to, according to Google, an auto center. I just pulled up to it. I don't know if you could read that sign, but it says permanently closed as of March 6th. Today is March 9th, 3 days ago. Not sure what I'm gonna do now. All right, as you can see, I made it to a Midas. Trust the Midas touch. Also, my phone is at 14% right now. I forgot my charger. All in all, the van is not a happy camper right now. Okay, that cost me $33. They had it done in like 10 minutes. My phone is dying and I don't really love driving with a dead phone, just in case, especially now that there's stuff going on. The van's driving fine now, so that's good. But I'm just gonna pop in somewhere and buy a phone charger. All right, phone is charging. Oil is at the right level. Next stop, Muskoka. I don't know what this is, but I'm ready to be there. Such is life. Such is van life.
I just finished teaching. It's Thursday, but I'm not working tomorrow, and we are heading up to where the van is parked at my parents' place. They're still away, so we are going to enjoy some time there, get things done on the van. Okay, party people. We have made it up north. This is the gang. We're making a delicious dinner. Talia is making deep fried tofu and some peanut butter noodles. I'm so happy to be up here. I came out of the car, I looked at the stars. It smells like fire. I just feel good.
We spent the weekend working on the new electrical system for our van, playing with the dogs, working on the system some more, singing on the treadmill like no one is watching.
Back up in the mirror like damn she what?
Maddie was watching. And yep, you guessed it, working on the system. Pretty soon it was time to head back to the city and start it all over again. Just a few more rounds of this and we'll be ready to leave for Alaska. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.
Also, you will never guess what I'm sitting on. Show me what I'm sitting on.
Show me.
It's a toilet!
Should we throw it back to Mads? Okay.